Hello there, it's your girl StaceNthePlace. Let's take a hot second to get lost in Santal. So this is one of the new releases from Bath & Body Works from their Everyday Luxuries collection. Scent notes are warm cardamom, satin sandalwood, and cedarwood. Now, real quick, I know you're wondering what in the world could this be, and that's easy. It's the Labo Santal 33. Like, it is what it is. Period poo. Period poo. It is also very similar to Target's Refinery line of, what's the name of it? Jungle Santal. It's also that as well. But just in case, unfortunately, you don't have the luxury of having Santal 33, I also have here this Maison Louie Marie Bois in Balincourt. This one's also pretty similar. And Palo Santo by Cremo, which is in Target as well. Loved that shower gel. So now that we got the comparisons out of the way, because comparisons are the thief of joy, let's jump into what this scent smells like. So to me, the sandalwood is like, it just slaps you in the face. Okay, it's amazing. I personally love sandalwood fragrances. The best way that I can really describe it to you is it's a very woody scent, and it darn near almost smells like freshly sharpened pencil leads. It's just, I don't know, like that's immediately what I think of. And as far as what the vibe of this is going to be, I feel like it's a very, nicely polished person who has their life together. They're, a little bit of a professional. They got a little bit of some money in the bank. Originally, I wanted to wear a white t-shirt because I don't know, for some reason with sandalwood and Lost in Santal, I immediately think of like someone walking around in black pants or even jeans with like the most crisp white shirt, okay, button down blouse, or darn near even like a polo, but it's so crisp and clean. And I thought about putting one on, but honestly, y'all, I did not feel like ironing it today. I was like, no, we have 10 fragrances to get through, so like, yeah, no, your girl was not gonna iron just for this video. I'm sorry, I love you, maybe next time. But I would highly recommend this Lost in Santal. This is gonna be a wonderful unisex scent. If you like anything sandalwood scented, like, just pick it up. You don't even have to smell it. Like, just pick it up and go. If you've enjoyed the Labo Santal 33, Cremo's, Palo Santo, anything Palo Santo, if you enjoy that and you enjoy smelling like that, pick it up. Period poo. Right? Period poo. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We will be having some more videos coming out of the 9 other everyday luxury scents. So make sure you take a hot second to hit the subscribe button so you will be alerted as soon as we get the videos out. Hopefully there will be more videos on their way to you today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and Little Miss Winnie, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye. What do you think, man? Wasn't it fun? Did you get lost in Santal? Lost in Santal. Lost in Santal. She's lost in Santal.